He's strong. Rest. Let's go again. Let's straight into it, dude. Yeah, we go. Gave him a head start.
Have a kip. Have a fucking kip, mate.
Hey guys, Jason Ninja. Today we're going to tell you how you can burn more calories in your workouts. So we're going to take you through an example HIIT circuit that we would do in one of our lift clubs or our training sessions. So high intensity interval training. So it's a big part of our training, isn't it, Ninja?
Correct.
Yeah.
It is. Yeah, I can remember seeing some research years ago that they'll get some people doing Tabata style, which means 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off for 4 minutes. So they had a study group doing 4 minutes 4 times a week, and had another study group that were doing 1 hour 4 times a week as well. So they're doing on the bike, so just cardio, constant work on a bike, and then the other group were doing sprints and then cruising for 10 seconds, sprints for 4 minutes. So it's like 16 minutes of exercise up against 240 minutes of exercise a week.
Geez, that's a big difference.
So big difference, but guess what the results were? The people who were doing the HIIT stuff actually had better cardio. Okay, they had better bone density, better everything. Just
pretty much everything increased. Yeah.
So that was just a massive thing for me to see that, but I'd already been doing that kind of training for ages and sort of know the benefit of going hard and then having these rest things, and you can do lots of more practical stuff in it as well. So we try and make our circuits really practical so they transfer into your life.
Yeah, all our best exercises. And yeah, the great thing is that work to rest, so you're not getting in that steady state cardio, so it does improve your cardio, but you also start to burn calories after the workout because your heart rate's still working, your body's still trying to recover from that shock of that exercise. So yeah, that's the key, and that's why you can burn more calories if you mix it in with that strength training that we do. So we're going to show you an example of how we do a circuit here. So we've got 3 groups of 2 exercises. We're going to do 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off, 2 rounds on each group. So we'll show you the exercises in the first group. Get it done. First group, we're combining slams with battle ropes. So slams, you're going to wind up above your head with a ball and slam back onto your heels, all right? So load up and slam like that. Then we've got Ninja on the battle ropes. So he's in a half deadlift, half squat, going as fast as he can.
So one hand at a time. When you get really tired, then you go double like that.
You go, Nat's favourite. All right, let's get the clock going. So 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off. We're going to do 2 rounds. We've got a 10-second countdown. So you're going as hard as you can if you're following along with this. So dead ball or a live ball or a medicine ball. 1, let's go. 20 seconds, hard as you can. Up on your toes, back on your heels. So you finish in that hip hinge. Up and slam. Keep going, Ninja. Look at him go. He's a monster.
That's the way you do it. Get it done together. Go harder. More intensely when you do it together. All right.
And change over. Quick 10-second rest. This is your recovery. A few deep breaths.
3, 2, 1, go.
All right, back on. Fast as you can on the battle rope. Keep going, 5 more seconds. And rest. Oh, heart rate's up. 1 more on each exercise. This is where the magic happens.
3, 2, 1, go.
Let's go. Wind up and slam.
Come on, Jace. Keep going, mate.
Ooh, yeah. That's it, Ninja.
Come on, mate. Stand through. Come on.
Keep good form all the way through, guys. That's the key. We don't get sloppy in the training. Rest. 1 more in this group. Ooh.
20 seconds. All it is.
2, 1, let's go. That's it, working hard. 10 seconds.
What was my shape?
Keep going, Nick. Come on. Rest. All right, we're on to group 2. So group 2, over the shoulders and push-ups. So Ninja's going to demonstrate an over the shoulder. So heavy dead ball again, up and over. So you can do it in 2 movements. So get your hands right under it, into that squat, and then power it over. And we're combining that with push-ups. So here, chest to the floor and back up. All right, making sure we're not arching our lower back. 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off. 2 times again. Little 10-second lead in. Whew.
Put that on your back, maybe clunk that.
Hopefully not clunking too much. Let's go. I'll go slow on the way down. Yeah. Yes, Ninj.
Let's go. Come on, like Jace.
That's it. He's doing the 45. That's it.
I'm like Jace.
Rest. There's 10 seconds.
Extra one.
All right. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Oh no. There we go. My mic's gone. Keep going. So here, drive it over. Hands under it. He's strong. Rest. One more of each. Hopefully I'm not making too much noise in the mic here. Let's go. Keep good form.
Here you go.
I'm not used to it. It's weighing me down. Rest. Oh, last one. Hopefully you can hear me. If you can't, Ninj can talk.
I'll talk.
Let's go.
Come on. Regressions if you need.
Yeah.
No regressions here, Ninj.
Come on. That's good.
Last one. Rest. All right, we're on to the last group. Let's get it done. Last group, guys, squat press and pull-up. So I'm going to demo squat press. Here we are. So feet hip width apart, squat down onto your heels, press up onto your toes. All right, squat down, drive up, and press. The Ninja's doing pull-ups in the corner.
So hands facing forwards. So, get your chin or chest right.
If you can do it in the last round of the circuit, you're not going too hard. Let's go again. Let's straight into it, Ninja. Here we go. Gave him a head start.
Have a kip. Have a fucking kip, mate.
Keep going. 5 seconds. Rest. Oh. I'm going to do back to the camera. Oh. This is going to be hard.
Put it back like Jace.
Let's go.
In a second. And that blubber. Get that blubber fast. Yeah!
Rest. One more of each.
Go.
We got this, Ninja.
Not here for a haircut, you big.
That's good. That's a new one.
Come on. One more.
Rest. Last one in the circuit. One more, Ninja.
Oh, go again. Thought I was done.
Let's go. Little break. Come again.
Jace, that's soft.
One more.
Come on, get up.
Rest. Oh, that's it, Ninja. All right, guys, so there it is. That's an example, 3 groups, 2 exercises, 2 rounds. Oh, we would normally do 6 groups of 2, 3 times on each group, but that's just a sample of what you can do if you're starting off. Regress the exercises, but yeah, great way to burn calories, get shredded. Because yeah, as I mentioned before, even after you've finished your workout, because that heart rate's going up and down and your muscles need to recover, that's where you keep burning calories. So
you don't get the gains when you're comfortable. That's what it's all about, being uncomfortable, not getting your breath, having to go again when you're tired. So a lot of it's mental as well. So that's why we do it in a group too. So when you got a group of 10 or so, even just one person, you get so much more out of it. You're accountable, you have more intensity, you just show
Push
up
yourself.
to start. Yeah.
Yeah.
And you get social out of it.
That's it. If Ninja doesn't rock up, I'm left to do it alone, so I'll make him feel bad.
Yeah.
Just joking, but yeah. Add it into your workouts, guys. HIIT training, get your strength in, then get your HIIT in later in the week. You'll feel good as gold. You'll be shredded in no time.
Be like Jace.
Be like this.
Get it done.
Oh no.